Oh, prior to Dr. Love's class, it's early morning on a Saturday morning. I woke up after going to bed late last night. I woke up tight, shoulders, arms, thighs, knees, everything, and especially my feet. Right now, I feel wonderful. I just finished this class, and with all of the movement and the music and the people and Dr. Love, I feel wonderful.
Class different.
Most definitely recommend it wholeheartedly for anyone who's having any kinds of aches and pains or feelings that are not good. Yes, I would recommend it highly. I certainly am. Every morning when I get up, I'm going to do something, movement. I'm going to try to remember all the moves that he gave me. And I understand there's some tapes and things available that we can, kind of take with us. And I plan to do that too, to keep it going.